Pierre Clostermann, a free French pilot with the RAF, Clostermann wrote The Big Show, a famous memoir of his Tempest missions. He survived being shot down over the Channel. James Johnson, the RAF's top ace from United Kingdom. Johnson flew Spitfires and led squadrons in Europe. He once asked for a day off to go fishing during the war, and got it. Richard Bong, America's ace of aces. Bong flew a P-38 Lightning in the Pacific. He died in 1945 testing a jet, the same day the atomic bomb hit Hiroshima, overshadowing his death in the news. Constantin Cantacuzino, Romania's leading ace, Bazou, flew for the Axis, then switched sides in 1944. He later flew a captured German plane to defect with a VIP prisoner. Ivan Kozhedub, the top Allied ace from Ukraine, Soviet Union at the time. Kozhedub flew Lavochkin fighters and never lost a plane to enemy fire. He shot down a German Me-262 jet in 1945, one of his final kills. Hiroyoshi Nishizawa, nicknamed the Devil of Rabaul. Nishizawa was Japan's top ace. He died in 1944 as a passenger in a transport plane shot down by US fighters. Ilmari Juutalainen, the highest-scoring non-German ace. He is from Finland. Juutalainen fought Soviets in the Winter War and Continuation War. His plane was never hit by enemy fire in over 400 missions. Gunther Rau, German ace. Rau broke his back in a 1941 crash, but returned to combat, scoring most of his kills against Soviet aircraft. He became a general in NATO after the war. Gerhard Barkhorn. Barkhorn was Hartmann's wingman at times and the second highest scoring ace. He survived being shot down 9 times, later joining the post-war German Air Force. Erich Hartmann, known as the Black Devil by Soviet pilots, Hartmann flew over 1,400 missions on the Eastern Front in a Messerschmitt Bf-109, becoming the highest-scoring ace in history. He survived the war and Soviet captivity, returning to fly for West Germany.